today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Pluto TV app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, and you just click here on settings. So then it's going to show for you this like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. Come to apps is here, and there you're looking for Pluto TV app. Or just click on search here. So then here at Pluto TV app, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on force stop, click here on OK. So then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store here. So then here you search here for Pluto TV app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this click on it's going to show for you if this here you click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.